Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about some colors on the Excel reports. Now in the past there's been some Windows updates in the last couple of months that have kind of modified how Windows looks at the color schemes, which it's referring to numbers and the background numbers and stuff like that. And I've noticed this too. If I go to my Excel, let me bring the screen up here and let's just create a report real quick. And I see the same thing. The standard green that we used to always use seems to have changed to a more brighter green, which is harder to see in the Excel. So what I've done, let me just get out of this. I'm going to go to the setup and we're going to go to reporting defaults where you can set up all the colors, and I'm going to change the green color. And what I've found, you can see the one that it's on right now. I like to go to this darker green. It actually looks a little better in the Excel reports. So it's one of the standard basic colors. I'm just going to say OK, so it's nothing you have to try and figure out the RGB numbers or anything like that. Just select this standard green that seems to work for me. I'll say OK. And now if I create an Excel report, bring it over to the screen here, we'll say create. OK. And here comes the report. And it's a much darker green, much easier to read. So this is the color I use after the change has occurred.